Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today I'll be covering a few things about style in your website design. So to get started, what I'm going to do is choose a design. I'm selecting this one pager, we call it right here, which means that the entire website is one page, and when you click on the navigation menu it goes to a certain spot. But that's not the focus of this video, so let me just jump in and show you what is going to be the focus, and that's all about styles. So when you create a website, you have a look and feel, and a lot of WebStarts or website editors or website builders limit the look and feel you can create for your website. For example, some of our competitors only allow you to swap out images, swap out text, choose whether you'd like your text to be left aligned, right aligned, or just dead in the center. That's very common, and that's a very easy way to create a website. However, when people come to your website, they're likely not to feel like there's someone really behind that website, and therefore they're less likely to do business with you. But if you're looking to create a website that has its own unique feel and its own unique look and really does business and impresses your customers, then I highly recommend you use WebStarts. So let me show you, there's a few different types of elements that you can apply a style to. There's boxes, there's images, and there is text. And if you choose text, for example, a style will affect things like the font itself. It will affect the color of the font. It will select the font weight. It can affect for example, things like the distance between characters in the font, or the distance between lines when you create a new line with that same font. And all those things can be tweaked with WebStarts. So that's what really gives WebStarts the flexibility to create any type of website that you see online. Now, if you're looking to tweak these things, you can do it in a central location, so you don't need to do it every single time you add text to a page in every single place. And you'll find those options under the Design tab and Text Style. There you've got a name for each one of your text styles, and then what you do is you set your defaults for each name. Then later on, once you've chosen your font and your color and your size and all of that thing, you click add text and then you choose the name. So for example, the paragraph large right there. Okay, but let me jump into something a little bit more exciting than text, because you've got that figured out. Let's take a look at styling an image. When you add an image to a page, and I'm just going to choose this image right here, and I'm going to, well, what I'm going to do is actually just resize it so that we can look at it without messing up everything on the website. And I'm also going to remove the image there, and I'm going to send it so that it's behind this text box. Okay, so now we have our image. I'm going to place the text so it's attached to the image, and I want to style this image, and the style can be adjusted by clicking on this little paintbrush, and then you'll notice a few predefined styles that we call effects or skins, and when you choose one, those styles are applied to the image. So you can see there, if I want a border or shadow, I have some of those options predefined. But if I want to drill down and really tweak this, I can do that by clicking Customize Style. And then up here at the top, you'll see I have some more skins or effects to choose from. And then I can go in and change things like the border color to this hot pink, and I can make the border more or less thick. I can add the drop shadow. I can even tweak the shadow in a more specific way. So now that I have that look that I want, I just simply save that change to my page, and then it's published to my live website, and we can view that by clicking View Site. So now we've covered text styling, and we've also covered a little bit about styling an image, but you can style virtually any element in WebStarts. All you need to do, and I'm going to go down to this form to show you, is select the particular element, and if you have this little design brush, just click on that Choose Effect Design Brush, and then click Customize Style if you want to drill down and customize the style further. So let's just say I want to change that text to white. I can do that. And this is not limited to just a few things on WebStarts, but really just about anything that you select, you'll notice has a little design option next to it. So I can even do things like style these, full width strips that I have on my page, and I can tweak those all the way down as well to, create a totally unique look for your site. Like I mentioned earlier, always save your changes. Make sure you don't lose your changes by navigating away from your page without saving. But that concludes this video on styling. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, be sure to subscribe to our WebStarts channel and go to WebStarts.com to create your very own free website that you can make completely customizable and look exactly the way you want. Thanks for watching.